ready to transform your tracks from static to sensational with powerful, soaring builds. Today, we're diving into FL Studio to master the art of progressive gain, a technique that will inject serious energy and emotion into your music by gradually automating volume. First, open up FL Studio and identify the mixer track you want to create a progressive gain effect on. This could be your kick drum, synth lead, or even the master track for an overall build. Locate the volume fader for that channel in the mixer. To the left of the fader, you'll see a small circular knob. Right-click on this knob. From the context menu that pops up, select Create Automation Clip. This will instantly generate a new automation clip in your playlist, linked directly to the volume of that mixer channel. Now, switch your view to the playlist. You'll see the automation clip for your selected mixer channel. This clip currently represents the existing volume level. To begin creating our progressive gain, we want to establish the starting point of our build. Click and drag the beginning of this automation clip to where you want your gradual volume increase to start within your song. Next, decide how long you want this build to last. Drag the end of the automation clip to the desired endpoint. Now, right-click on the automation clip itself. Select Edit Events. This opens the piano roll for your automation clip, allowing us fine-grained control over the volume changes. Within the piano roll, you'll see a single automation point, representing the volume at the start of your clip. We need to add more points to create the gradual increase. Click on the automation line to add new control points. Think of these points as keyframes for your volume. You'll want to place several points along the timeline, spaced out according to how smooth you want your build to be. Now, click and drag these new points upwards. The higher you drag a point, the louder the volume will be at that specific moment in time. Aim for a smooth, upward curve to achieve that gradual gain effect. As you can see, this creates a steady increase in volume over the duration of your automation clip. You can fine-tune the curve by adjusting the position of these points to create more subtle or dramatic builds. Let's hear the result. As the playback head moves through the automation clip, you'll notice the mixer fader gradually rising, smoothly increasing the volume of your chosen element. This technique is fantastic for creating tension before a drop, transitioning between song sections, or simply adding a sense of propulsion to your arrangements. Experiment with different curves and apply it to various elements for truly dynamic and engaging music. Mastering progressive gain is a game changer. Now go forth and build your musical empires.